Alex Jones aside, who's really a conspiracy theorist, I think putting him on the right is rough for those of us who are conservatives.
You know, Buck Sexton, when he's on there bad-mouthing me, we're going to go to break and come back, doesn't tell you that he was an intelligence officer with the Central Intelligence Agency or that he works for Glenn Beck in that government operation. You see? Now, notice CNN's actually half fair in that. The report previously, the day before, they edited it to make Stone sound like he was calling for violence. But I love how Buck Sexton controls reality, and he says, I'm not conservative. No, I'm a pro-human, libertarian, constitutionalist, Americana. But not just a defender of America, I am a defender of humanity like any other man should be. Plus, my name means that. So I'm here to tell you, Buck Sexton, sounds like a comic book name. I mean, I know you got the Bob's Big Boy hair and everything, but give me a break, son.